Howdy y'all, I hope everybody's having a great day. Silver Trade here again with another video. Institutions are absolutely pouring into GameStop right now. They're pouring into GameStop even more than they were back in 2021. Renaissance employs tried and tested mathematical models backed up by scientific research, i.e. trading decisions, and are based on back-tested modeling. Long story short, Renaissance only invests whenever the numbers look right, and they think that GameStop's numbers look good. GameStop on the chart, we had a huge breakout today. We got above $28 per share. Went all the way up almost to $30 per share and then came back down. But we held above that $28 per share, which is really important. You can see we came back down to retest this $28 per share, and it's already starting to move off. And please remember, none of this is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. It's more common for stocks to break a resistance line, come back and touch it, and then continue, than it is for stocks to just break a resistance and pump straight up. I mean, it's not crypto, you know. We could certainly just break back down tomorrow, come down to the bottom of this triangle, and then maybe come back up. But typically, whenever a stock runs up and tests and tests and tests and tests a resistance line, and then comes back down, gets some more liquidity, and then goes back through and actually pumps up, and then comes back to retest it again, after already testing it so many times, that normally means it's going to have a continuation. Right here on GameStop, we had a breakout. We had tested and tested this line over at $24.50 for a long time. And then we finally had a breakout with a little bit higher than normal volume. After we broke out right above this line, we held it, and the next day we had a very good pump with even more volume. Now today, we had another breakout from another triangle with unusually high volume. I wonder if we could see an even higher volume day tomorrow with a pump well through 30. On the daily, there is also a hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. And like we talked about on Monday, GameStop really needed to get above $28 per share to get above this 200 moving average on the weekly chart. And we did today, and we held it. Even if we're coming back for a retest, the fact that we held above this 200-day moving average is amazing. I do want to remember that tomorrow we could easily dump back through this line and then back through this line right here and come all the way down to $24 per share, worst case scenario. But with how GameStop has aggressively been looking at these resistance lines, touching them and then blowing through them, touching them and then blowing through them, I really think tomorrow we could see a good day. Or maybe for the rest of the week, it just holds, consolidates above that $28 per share. And then next week, we have a really good week if we do hold that. On Monday, we were talking about $26.20. We need to hold above it. Now we're talking about holding above $28 per share. This really reminds me of 2021. GameStop on the options chain, if we can get above $30 per share, we'll have about 26,000 calls in the money. At the $30 strike on GameStop, we have about 2,800 open calls. Like we talked about weeks ago, we thought that the start of November was going to be when GameStop really started to get its volume, and that's because the end of Roaring Kitty's memes or the end of his live stream or something related to Roaring Kitty 174 days out or 110 days out. Today is the 111th day since Roaring Kitty posted his 110 memes. I wonder if he's going to come around soon to get that hype train going again, that hype circle. All the technicals in the chart look great. It looks very bullish. If we can hold above $28 per share, that is extremely bullish for GameStop. But everything looks bullish, even with zero news. Once some good news comes out, I'm really excited to see what happens. I really appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. I hope you're having a great day, and God bless you.
I just got three things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!